Hey guys, me Lex again. Today I'm going to do something different by doing an egg lab, okay? What you're going to need is vinegar, a throwaway cup. You won't need to use it because it's going to reek from the vinegar. Some syrup, a measuring cup. The highest amount of vinegar you're going to need is 150 milliliters, so that's fine. You're going to need saran wrap. Also, you're going to need just one egg. Okay, let's start. So you need 150 milliliters of vinegar, which I have already done. And next, well, I'm going to explain the whole step, even though it takes a little bit longer. But you're going to take your egg and you would put it in the vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the vinegar. Okay, and then once the egg is in the vinegar, you're going to want to take the saran wrap, put it over. It's something called parafoam or whatever. If you have that, I would use that. But since I don't have that, because my science teacher only has that, I just use this instead. Saran wrap, you guys know what I'm talking about, the clear stuff. Also, yeah, you're going to take that and you're going to place that over a cup after you put the egg in. And then I took a rubber band and I put it around the edging and I taped it up too so that no air or anything would get in there and just lock all the moisture and everything in there. And then after you've done that, you're going to want to just let it sit there and you're going to want to keep it in there for about, I'd say, 3 to 4 days at the most. And then once that's done, you want to take it all off, and you're going to find your egg. Some of the egg shell has come off, and you just want to sit there and rub all the shell off. It won't look like this though. It's going to look like the egg shell is cracked and stuff like that. So you want to make sure all that stuff and all the extra stuff or whatever is off. And then after you are done taking that off, you're going to put 100 milliliters of syrup in the cup instead of vinegar and dump all that, throw that away. And then you're going to put the egg without the shell on it into the syrup. And then after that, you're going to put the saran wrap or new saran wrap or whatever back on. Same thing with the rubber band or tape or whatever. And then I'd say you leave it in there for about 4 days. The egg should turn like a brownish color, and you should be able to see inside the egg. After that, the egg experiment is done. Mine, I accidentally didn't leave it in the vinegar for long enough, so yours should not end up like this. But it's really, really fragile. But here is the end product of how my experiment went. If I feel right here, you can still feel like where the baby chick would have been if this egg was fertilized. Yeah, see, yours shouldn't end up like this. Yours shouldn't be as squishy or anything like that. Yours should be pretty much solid or whatever. And that was the egg lab. I'm also having a carrot lab come up, so check that one out too. Bye!